Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, southern Wise County in north-central Texas, Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, Collin County in north-central Texas, northern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Anna to near Bloomsville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Rowlett, Euless, Bedford, and Grapevine. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.